In this video, you're going to learn about the Lifter LMS sidebar widgets that come with Lifter LMS that you can use in your theme. So if you look here at this course, you can see we have a progress bar widget where this user is at 22%. And then we have the syllabus widget down here where you can see the outline or syllabus of the course. You can see what's been completed and what's left to do. You can see the titles of these sections and so on. So to work with these sidebar widgets, what you do is you go into the backend of WordPress to Dashboard, then you go to Appearance Widgets, and you'll notice that there's a course sidebar widget area and a lesson sidebar widget area. So in both cases, at the course level and at the lesson level, we have dragged in the course progress widget and the course syllabus widget. Now on the lessons area here, and this is true in either place, but I'm showing you here, you can make the outline collapsible, and then you can choose to display open and close toggles if you'd like. So let me show you what that looks like. If I navigate to this lesson, I can see that the sidebar syllabus here is collapsed, and I can open and close. So that's what those extra settings are about. And that's a quick tour of the Lifter LMS sidebar widgets.